Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 28th, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, a few things going on. Firstly, we have an economic summit in the EU. So that's going on day one today. And then later on in the day at 2:30 p.m. South African time, we have a GBP number coming out. That's a GDP number, gross domestic product. That's coming in the United States. That's a final number for the quarterly results. And then at 4 p.m. South African time, we have consumer confidence number coming out of the United States. That's an important number. So several numbers coming out today as the market just shakes itself off from last week's shockwave from the Brexit. We see things are starting to perk up. Okay, and this is something to be expected. We hit some sort of support here at 109.55. We gapped down yesterday to 110, and you say we held this line. Okay, we didn't break it, and then now we're breaking up higher. So the question is how much higher we can go. So this is the Euro USD we're looking at right now, but looking across the board, we see that we're flatlining. This is the GBPUSD, as you can see in a 1-minute chart. Let's look at an hourly chart. But you see that it's flatlining. It might not go up, but it has flatlined to a certain degree. We hit a low of 131 yesterday in the GBPUSD, and so it's a little bit more positive than the fact that it's going down further. But looking also at the GBP Japanese yen, trading at 135 here, also looks like it's flatlining. So that's as far as the GBP is concerned. The Dow Jones looks like it's bouncing here. As you can see here, it's trading at 127, up 148 points in pre-market trading. So, things are looking like they're perking up. Gold, on the other hand, is selling off a little bit, as you can see here, 1316. I would like to see this sell off a little bit harder than 1316, but this may retrace maybe to 1280, 1260. Ish level. So keep an eye on that. I'd be adverse to shorting gold because it's been so strong, but just playing this fade move of this up move and then maybe the correctional move now could redeem you a little bit from last week's debacle. So looking at also the USDCAD here, retracing here from 131 to 129-ish level, so it's making a correction as well. So corrections are due. The question is whether or not they'll actually frustrate. So you got to be in it to win it. So if you put some trades in there and see how they materialize, just easing into a position, scalping very quickly, and being happy with what you get, even though the market could actually do much more. So we were talking with one of the traders the other day, and he said, had I traded my demo account, I could have paid for my house completely from the mortgage. I wouldn't have a mortgage any longer. So that's a very positive outlook on it, but you also have to look at the downside. So anytime you're making money in the markets, you should be happy. Take it and just take advantage of it. So ultimately that's how you should look at it, and that should be your attitude in materializing the trades. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.